Hello everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I am Kala Ponnuri. Remember in recent videos we made planters using top part of the bottle. So in today's video we are going to transform these bottom part of the bottle into a beautiful decor. So let's see the materials required first. As we are going to use glass colors, the bottle has to be very clean. So remove all the glue stains using nail paint remover. We are going to use camel glass colors which are solvent based, means not water based. We are going to color the bottle from inside but not outside. All you have to do is just squeeze some color inside the bottle little by little and keep rotating the bottle, but rotate it little slowly. Here the mid ring of the bottle, which is the design of the bottle, acts as a stopper of the paint. If you feel the paint is not uniform at some places, you can rotate the bottle again till the paint coats the bottle. But remember, the solvent based paints become thick quite fast. Finally, rest the bottle upside down so that the excess paint comes out and leave it till the paint becomes completely dry. Make how many ever colors you want and rest them to dry. Remove the extra paint carefully, which spreaded below the mid rim using nail paint remover. Add little POP in metallic gold acrylic color and apply on bottom part of the bottle and dab with sponge to get uniform coat of the painting and leave it for drying. Pearl metallic colors take double the time of drying time than acrylic colors. Apply varnish only on gold color and let it dry completely. Take OHP sheet or any plastic sheet which you get at any local craft shop. Draw some flowers and leaves on a sheet of paper. Place the plastic sheet over the paper and make outline of flowers and leaves using 3D outliner. After 3D liner dries completely, add glass colors to the leaves and flowers. Push the color to the edges to make sure there are no gaps. Here you can use readily available leaves and flowers in the market, but these come out very glossy and they almost look like glass ones. Now cut them into their shapes. This is a metal wire which is used to dry clothes and you can buy it in any hardware shop. But for a better finished one, you can go for this memory wire which I bought online. Whatever shape you give to this wire, it remains in that shape. That's why it's known as memory wire. To fold this wire into perfect shapes, you need this plier. You get this in two types, a flat nose one and round nose one. Okay, let's start making the shape which we want. Even I am using this for the first time, but trust me, it's very interesting and very therapeutic. So this is the outcome. So now I'll show you how exactly it has to be folded right from the beginning. But firstly, make two holes on either side of the bottle. Take required length of the wire and fold it as you are seeing in the video. Initially you may not get the required shape, but with little practice you will get the trick. In fact, you will like to explore more and think of other ways to use it more. I am just suggesting these shapes here, but you can go for any shape convenient to you. So this is the final look. So did you like it? So now we will try making other shapes. Here you don't have to make holes in the bottle. Just follow the video for tutorial. Here you just wind the wire around the bottle so that it holds the bottle without falling. So this is what it is. So now you understood there is no particular design or there is no particular pattern. The final finish has to look good. So here I made the design little more extended instead of ending it in the middle. Now we will beautify it more by adding the flowers and leaves which we made. We can simply stick these flowers using fabric glue. Stick the leaves onto the flower making wire, make them into a bunch and then add to the memory wire at various places. After twisting the leaves around memory wire, you can use fabric glue to make them stay in the place. If the painting of glass color doesn't happen well, don't get disappointed and throw away the bottle. You can always make some design and hide all the flaws, and at the same time it gets a different look too. To hang them you can use any thread or rope or any wire. So now they are ready for hanging. So let's go and display them. So here they are. They equally look good in the daylight as well as night. They look magical once you add a simple tea light inside. Wherever you place them in the house, they are going to look beautiful. These are the sun catchers and they become a beautiful lamps in the night when you add the tea lights. So this is what art around house is all about. I hope you all enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified about my latest videos. You can leave your valuable comments in the description box below. See you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.